Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5029351. So if you're unable to install this update on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, open Windows settings and then go to system and scroll down and then click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Over here you can see Windows Update. In front of Windows Update you can see the run option. Click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, try to update your Windows 11 once again. But still you are unable to update your Windows 11, then restart Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic. Make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now with Windows Update selected, click on restart. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set it to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Make a right click once again and then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can try to update your Windows 11. Now still you are unable to update your Windows 11. Then the next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. So click on download now. So click on download now. And then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. And over here you can see accept and install. So click on accept and install. And let the download complete. And once this is done, you can restart your computer and your Windows 11 should be up to date. Now the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will again take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website. Now over here, write down the name of the update. So right now the name of the update is KB5029351. So write down the name of the update over here and then click on search. Now over here, this is the right system. I have x64 base system. So click on download over here and then click on this blue hyperlink and it will start the download. Now once the download is complete, you have to run this file. So click on this file and you can update this update manually, then restart your computer and this update should be installed successfully on your Windows 11. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy it till here. Copy it till here. Now open Notepad on the computer. So type in Notepad in Windows search box and then click on Notepad and then paste all the command in Notepad. Now click on File. Now click on Save As and name this file as wufix.bat. wufix.bat. For save as type, select all files and you can set the location as desktop and then click on save. Now go to desktop. Over here you can see wufix file. Make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Now click on yes to allow. Now it will run all the commands. So first of all, it will stop Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are multiple scans, so the scan will take some time. And once all the scans are complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Now once this is 100% complete, Once this is done, this process will take some time. Once this is 100% complete, then you restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this, and after the system restart, try to update your Windows 11. Now the next step is to use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now click on accept. Now click on next. And over here select ISO file. And then click on next. Now you can save it to desktop. Now click on save. And let the download complete. Now once done, click on finish. And then go to desktop. Over here you can see Windows. Make a double click and open this. Now over here you can see this setup file. So run this setup file. Click on yes to allow. Now click on next. Now click on accept. And over here it will again check for updates. It will get some update. Let the process complete. Now over here you can see the option which says ready to install Windows 11, and here you can see keep personal files and app. Make sure this is checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So when you click on change what to keep, you can select keep personal files and app. Always select keep personal files and app. When that is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. And then click on next and let the installation complete. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.